Haikou, hey yeah. Haikou, oh yeah. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound. Little Haikou has a little bit of everything. Little bit of everything. Everything for you and me. Everything, everything, everything. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound. Meander here and meander there. Meander everywhere, here and there. Haikou everywhere. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound.
Okay, so this is one of the most famous tourist streets. My last video that I filmed of Haikou, I walked it from that way down. It got a little bit too long, so I wanted to stop it. And then we're just gonna, sometimes when I do a second way, it'll be just a different video altogether. So this is what the attempt is for here, is to start at this end. And it's just such a great street to film, because for one, the lighting is just about perfect right now. And there's actually just so much activity, especially at this part of the evening. And I can also focus more on this other side as well. So anyways, that's what we're going to be doing. That goes up to the clock tower, it goes north, there's a university that direction, but we're going to be going down this street of Haikou. Okay, Haikou, so let's put this up on the map so you can see the area that we're at. And just letting you know, there's some music that's going to come up in a second as well. And this is a series of 17 of Haikou and Hainan Island. So these are right in this neighborhood that you saw already. And let's just get right into it. Walk and talk time. Haikou, China. Let's see what it looks like as if you were there yourself. Okay, so let's navigate into here. And these are little barriers so that the bikes and traffic can't get through. And I guess you could actually come here at 11 o'clock at night, but there's a speed limit of 20 kilometers an hour, which is good. Lots of shop houses, shop housing style. And so we're going to go down our target street here. I'm going to probably get distracted in the best way possible for the camera whenever I can. So don't be too surprised. And I think the first thing I'm going to do is film this one right here, because we have I think this kind of commemorates the trade that was going on at this particular time. You have the way they would count money at that time as well. Abacus. And it looks like a lot of people touch the hands for whatever reason. So you got a Westerner and a Chinese person doing business. And I was reading about this somewhere else too. It's kind of interesting. But this street has a lot to do with because of the overseas Chinese, which were intermingling with, you know, the British in Malaysia and Singapore, the French in Vietnam, Portuguese in Macau. So there was a lot of business going back and forth, and this is one of those centers for that. These are for the tourists. Which is pretty cool. The clapping is to get customers, so they'll clap for those clappers. You'll see it kind of everywhere throughout China. I even see it in Zhuhai when I cross over from Macau. Got some artists here. So yeah, every time I film, even if I film the same street, I'll film it completely different the next time. Because we notice different things. Coffee shop, you can sit right here. Look, they even painted these pipes. But I will try to repeat. This is a music hotel right here. But there'll be some things that I'll try to repeat, because if they're kind of interesting to mention again, I will. Yeah, actually this Haikou is, let me give you some background. So Haikou is the biggest city in Hainan. It's actually one of the warmest areas of all of China. And it's not quite in the mainland, it's an island to itself. And I think it actually has its own trade center status now. Okay, let me see what else we can focus on here. I'm going to focus on these little commemorative things in a moment. But the last video I was noticing these, and they'll basically like commemorate something. They started doing something in 2011 and 2024, but they started, there's all these things to preserve the history of all these buildings. So some of these will talk about how it used to be, you know, maybe a hotel or whatever it used to be. Okay. Coconut house. So that little thing that says coconut house over there, I should get some coconut while I'm here. But Haikou is also called the Coconut City. So, and I have seen a lot of coconut trees here in Haikou. And coconut dessert related things. Okay, let's just kind of meander over to some of these things. Nice trees. So this is kind of what they'll do, these things. So this is about the a family that had a mansion. Let me get a little closer so you can see it. I mean, you can do these QR codes and see. I didn't try the QR codes, but I'm imagining that they have more information about it. So, okay. Let me just show you another one just so you can get an idea. Gotta try those coconut things. So this used to be a hardware shop. Another QR code. Another QR code, and then it has the number of it too, right? So if somebody is so inclined, maybe pause that, go back to that, pause it, and then put your phone to it, read the QR code, see what it says. You know, I heard that every QR code is different, just like a snowflake. You kind of wonder how that's even possible. You just got to be some way that one QR code is going to be exactly the same as somebody else's. So they're doing all the paintings here, so they're painting. So actually I had some interaction with them on my last video when I came across. So today's Monday evening. I was here last night and they had some things over here. But I don't know, maybe it's only on Sunday night, or maybe it's comes out a little bit later. Then they have a restaurant up there, and there's also, I saw some people up there on that little bridge thing too yesterday. Okay. More Haikou stuff. Okay. So we're gonna, oh, actually we're coming to the end of the video. Yeah, actually last time when I went the other way I was filming these. And they all go, they're all most photogenic coming from this way. We've got another one right here. Then you can see it from this way. There you go. And we got another one over this way. Yeah, this one is more, it's better because I have it at 8.5 minutes. Cafe bar right there. That's what this one is. This one's kind of a happy bear, tiger. Okay. So we're gonna go down a little bit further. Another artist over there. This is a giant straw. Giant drink. So pretty cool. So the artwork is really photogenic actually. Okay. Then we have some more commemoration types of things. Okay, so now we're going to come up to our I Love Haikou one, and this is at the base of the street. There we go. Looking pretty cool. Then this comes out to the end of the street. So so luckily now I filmed it the other way and I filmed too much. So I had this long video. There we go. So that was one that we just filmed, was that one right there. Then we're gonna fade in this way like this. Then we're gonna come up this way. So there we go. So that's the street that we just filmed. Go back like that. Try to capture it from that angle. Okay, so there we go. So that's Jeonsha. It's also has a historic name as well. So let's send it right there. Here.
Everything, everything